The 5 Best Cordless Glass Electric Kettle of 2023, reviewed and tested. Our top picks. Number 1, Hamilton Beach 40864 Electric Tea Kettle. Number 2, COSORI Electric Kettle for Boiling Water, Best Cordless Glass Electric Kettle 2023. Number 3, Mueller Ultra Kettle. This is Best Cordless Glass Electric Kettle. Number 4, OXO Brew Cordless Glass Electric Kettle, Best Cordless Glass Electric Kettle under $100. Number 5, Zeppoli Electric Kettle, Best Cordless Glass Electric Kettle under $50. Thanks you for watching video.